Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your space in laptop or PC. So get into the video. So first of all, you want to press window key plus R. Now you want to type percentage temp percentage, then click OK. Now you can see some junk files. I already did this before, that's why I only have 2 files. Maybe you have a lot. Some files take more time to be deleted. The second thing is open your file explorer, then click this PC. Now click Windows C drive. Now click Windows, then you can see a file called software distribution. Now you can delete these files. These are unwanted files, so you can easily delete by clicking shift plus delete to delete files permanently. The third thing to clean up space is press Windows plus R, then type clean mgr, then select C drive, then click OK. This loading will take around 3 or 4 minutes. You must want to wait until it completed.
5 minutes later.
Now you want to check all these. You can see I only have 7 MB. I told you guys I already did just before starting recording. That's why I only have 7 MB for delete. I am sure you can get lot of storage through this. Now the next step is press Windows plus R, then type appwiz.cpl, then click OK. From here you can uninstall all your unwanted apps to gain more storage. You can see the size of the app by clicking on it, then click uninstall. By doing these things you can easily gain storage in your laptop or PC. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.